What's up, guys? So we're here with another video. We're just meeting up with one of the boys at the BMW dealership. Maybe we're gonna test drive a G80. Maybe we're gonna test drive something else. I don't know. I think we're gonna test drive a M4 competition. But we wanted to test drive something that had X-Drive. So I don't know. Let's just see what they got at the dealer. But yeah, I'll catch you at the dealership. Just pulled up BMW of South Austin. Let's see if they have any parking. I can't make that parking spot. It's like EV parking. Guess I'll park right here. Let's get it parked up right. Sweet. Fold in my mirrors. Stop beeping at me, man. Yo, what is that? Is that like a 4 Series? Damn, she do look good though. Oh, what is it? Look at this interior though. This is kind of badass. Only if there's an M.
Bro. It doesn't look like that.
Damn.
Look how weird it looks.
That shit is on fire. That's fire damage. Damn, my shit looks good. It looks like it deserves to be here. Look how dirty it is, bro.
Yeah, your car is cooked.
It is cooked. I drove in the rain yesterday. That's why.
I was driving. No way. Did you put your bags on?
No.
Yeah.
Corbin didn't either. That day we went to go get content, bro, we left and it was torrential downpour.
I feel like all the cool shit's over there.
Where? On that side?
I guess nothing is cool, bro.
Right here, look. M competition. Look. The M competition.
Extra.
M competition. That's actually, look, the badge is falling off too.
Just even, I didn't even know it's a 4, bro.
It's missing. How much do they want for this? Look at this, bro. Black trim. This is like matte black. After like 2 years, it's gonna turn white.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Guys, guess. You got 10 seconds.
Yeah, drop it in the comments right now.
Alright, ready? What is your guess?
72. 75? Damn, that's tax low-key.
76, basically.
It's a 22, right?
23. Only 4,000 miles.
With a broken badge? How they managed to do that? Cheap dash.
Cheap dash.
Cheap mirrors.
It is PPF.
Hey, at least they got the lasers. He didn't cheap out on one thing.
And it's got the anniversary.
Yeah. I think all 23s came with that though, no? Yeah. What about this? Would you get an M550i? Yeah, them bitches got a V8 in it.
Yeah.
M440i, M550i. That purple is crazy.
I'd rather still take like a X3.
Facts.
But we should get a test drive an RS5.
Audi's...
AMG. Did you know AMG is down the road now?
Oh yeah, it's a little bit down. I saw.
I didn't
Yeah.
know that.
This color is fire.
Wow, look at the gaps, dude. That's cooked.
Yo. That's on
that
both
not
sides.
cooked?
That is. That's on both sides too. Look at the color. Thunder Night Metallic.
Is it an individual?
I think so. It has to be.
Yeah, that's cool.
Hey, this is that same color we saw in at Impact with that dude with the gold wheels.
Oh, yeah.
Is that X3M? No.
Dude, you know what's crazy?
What? Yeah. She has this, right?
No, she had that. What is this, like navy blue?
Yeah.
Well, first she actually had that. Then she had that. And then now she just has the suit.
Oh shit, M8.
Okay, low key.
Yo, M8 comp?
Yeah.
That's hard.
This one actually looks hard.
Yeah.
He's
Competition?
definitely done something to it.
Carbon exhaustive.
Oh.
That's low-key badass.
Alright, this is what year?
23.
Alright, I know what store it is.
Okay, bet. What do I want to put this at? Maybe like 120?
Oh, wait, is that that's the M82 we just went, or no, that's
No, this is
like 50 or something.
yeah. No, this is just the 840i. Yeah, 840i.
Alright, I'm guessing
Actually, it can't be that high up there for use.
105.
Yeah, well, I'm saying 110 actually, not 120.
Oh.
Imagine, hey, 75K.
Would you actually like trading your
Hell yeah, for 75 with 5K miles, bruh. Oh
not
shit,
bad.
you were close.
That's
What's the market value on it? 110. Damn. Hey, they have a matte black GT63.
Damn.
That's hard.
Okay, which one are you picking then? The main rivals.
I'm thinking that all day. Just I gotta stick to the blood.
More like if you have your go yard bag and you're walking around with that 10K car.
You need an AP to have this car. That car's for people who have like a Rolex. Yo, this is hard. A 24? Damn.
I'm guessing 120.
Bro, I feel like all Mercedes. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. It's polar white under.
Yeah.
Look at this, bro.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
It's Mercedes.
Every Mercedes has that, I think.
What the?
Oh, bro, it's not a 63.
No.
It's a 53.
Oh, dude, that's cool. This car's automatic.
Yeah.
Dropped like 50K.
Yeah, I think it's like 75, maybe 80.
Yeah, ready?
What color is the interior? Red? The interior being red?
109.
109 for this? Bro, look at this gap. You can like throw rocks in here, look.
I guess market value is 117.
That's wild. Oh, these bitches are fast, bro. You ever drove one of these? I had a track day with one of these. Yeah. Like the BMW track day, they gave us these. I think it might be this one, no?
68. Yeah, I think that is it.
71.
Ooh,
Yo, that's cheap.
Trade in. And then you could
This low-key cook us.
Electric.
I'll show you the track day footage of this, bro. It was insane. Would you get a Raptor or a TRX?
Raptor.
Yeah.
Yeah, this wrap is terrible.
Damn. Cook.
Really?
Yeah.
Feeling.
Wow.
Then it cuts the things out.
That probably beeps. And they want like 10 what? That's crazy. This is pretty nice. I want the Shelby Raptor though, low key.
Someone said it's got this.
Which one?
Exact spec.
Really?
Yeah,
What
I
spec
think
is this?
it's black.
It looks like blue, no? Yeah, it's blue. Look, there's like a blue sparkle. You see it?
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. Oh shit. Bro, why are you parking next to me, bro? Hold up. I'm about to move my shit over here. Fucking idiots. Like, why the fuck would you even try to park next to me, bro? Absolute peon. 250 HD my ass.
Wi-Fi is on.
With the
This has
self-healing?
girl.
This is absolutely ugly. I would never get this.
No, but it's actually so fast.
98K. That's what they're asking.
You know what's cool about this car though?
How what?
Is the glass on top goes from transparent to like frosted.
Oh shit.
Which is hard.
Look at these dealer installed options.
The ceramic window tints are
Yeah.
That's clean then. That's worth it.
Bro, I can get this same tint for $100. Literally. Look at these. I'm looking at these over. Oh shit. M3 comp.
Okay, but really?
These are cars in
Are you
service.
taking this or an S-Class, dude? Come on.
This.
Really?
Have you seen the inside of it?
Yeah.
The screen comes down, bro.
Yeah, if it has a screen.
It does. Most of them do. This one probably does. It's extended. And this one, yeah.
Damn, bro, these are tall.
137, bro.
They're like mini Rolls Royces.
Damn.
With the ceramics.
Rich bag. That's nasty.
Dude, no way this car's for sale, dude.
No, it's a customer car.
Why didn't they take off the plate?
I'm not sure. But it has that, so it looks like a customer car. The tires look bald, bro. They look like balloons. Hey, Mola gang. Look at this cooked ass paint, bro. This is cooked.
In 5 years.
Oh, what is that? M340. Yeah. Damn, buddy cooked it.
The color's kind of hard.
I do like it. It's David Gray, I think. Or no, it's some quartz. It's like the quartz in it. Oh, this is nice, bro. With the brown interior.
Dude, I wonder if you saw the X5.
That lift's hard too. Hey, you know cars can go up here?
Yeah.
Look, the elevator, bro. You didn't know that? I've literally seen them take a car up. Last time I was here.
Is it for service cars?
No, just for showroom cars. But I guess they don't have any. An umbrella?
Did you say umbrella?
Yeah, umbrella. Seems like it.
Yeah, pocket umbrella.
It just says one Stuick. Where does it say umbrella? Oh, pocket umbrella.
Pocket umbrella.
Wow. What a BMW hat.
Dude, I got this. The wheel cleaner.
Man.
And it didn't last at all. Because like the spraying also wasn't really the best. It
Look,
worked.
they start selling these.
Wait, are these the...
Those are center caps.
Pull it up. Look what I found.
What?
Do I buy these? We could go get them now.
What?
Oh, you're gonna want them though. Floating center caps.
Oh, what did he say?
$25.
Go get them. Why'd you say 2018 MP?
It's like, send me your car model.
Oh my god.
I took them up to you.
These are hard though. I would probably just get these, if I'm being honest.
Well, with your car, that'd be good.
Yeah.
Should I do center floating caps? Or is that just the base?
Abos has them. You should get one of these. Look, it matches your car, this one.
Oh yeah, it's just like it.
Literally.
Same grill and everything.
Same steering wheel. Look, it's got a horn.
Dude, that's pretty funny.
No, they don't. You're trolling.
I look can get a new one because mine is pretty faded.
I'm gonna get the Kip one from eBay for $30. Yo. That's hard. Hey, just get these, look.
So do you think the guys actually do get them from BMW?
Yeah. Oh, there's 3 different sizes, that's why.
3 different sizes?
Yeah, look, that one's huge. This one's like small.
Shoot.
Compare this one to that one. How big is it? Is that the same?
I don't know. Dude. Let's see what the... Oh, they're locked in.
What's the serial number on that one? Is it end in 260?
Yeah.
This one? Oh, okay. So this one's bigger, 269.
I'm sure he has a smaller one.
Yeah.
Just
I think these are for like X5s and shit.
for X7.
Yeah. Damn, how much are these?
Pretty sure it's like $180.
$180. Get this.
Oh yeah, if I got mine for $24, that would be crazy.
Yeah, facts.
Sell
How much is it?
225.
Damn, buddy got cooked. In the CS.
I could like sell that up. You know, like when I sell the whip.
Yeah. You're not selling it.
Comes with one. Yeah, I did not rock with that guy, dude.
Was he your same service advisor as last time?
It's usually that guy.
My guy quit, bro. Literally. My guy quit.
For a reason.
Yeah.
No, that guy's more chill.
But he's stuck up too.
Yeah, they're all, bro.
Yeah. The one guy that I had, bro,
service people, bro.
the one guy I had, bro, he was so cool.
Really?
Yeah, so cool, bro. He had an M3 himself, that's why. You be drinking in your car? Why does it smell like Trulies?
I just Bro, yeah, last time they were like, yeah, we can't wash it. And I was like, what? And they're like, it's too low, but
What?
that's cap. Okay, what's new?
My car and then Audi? Or...
Dude, only if we gotta see that same right now.
Yeah. Look, X5 right here. And then into...
Dude, it sounds so weird when it's not warmed up
Yeah.
completely.
Everything clunks.
Yeah, and it's like raspy.
Yeah.
Crazy raspy.
Yo! Let him know. Oh shit! Yo! Hey! You wanna go to Dodge? Okay. Here.
Free.
Yeah. What do y'all think about this R8? It's a V10. If you get it. This?
Definitely black underneath.
I don't know. Do you want to drive it, Liam?
You should drive it. You got driver license, right?
Yeah.
Carbon cooked or not?
It looks pretty good. It's not even yellowed. Yeah. It's gonna be loud. That's sick. Bro, it looks so good. Yeah. What?
Because I was trying negotiating him down so
He probably don't remember you. Top up vibes. Oh, spoiler. He got the rich spec. That's wild. For the top up. Right there.
Do I need this door?
Yeah. Maybe down? Yeah, there you go. Yo, that's hard. Look behind you. Did it sound bad? It was like stretching. Yeah. Oh, I see the engine. Yo, V10. That's badass. It's like all the way back there. You might be able to open it. Is that it? They only got the frunk. There has to be a way to open it. Bloody whipping the R8.
And maybe I'll start it without.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, those downshifts sound good. Yo! Oh, that's literally a Lambo, bro.
That's crazy.
Oh. Damn. To the left, yeah.
Holy Paul. That would cook.
Oh my god.
That sounds sick.
Yeah.
It sounds good in automatic.
It does.
Oh my days.
Oh.
Dude, I can't. That's too good.
That literally sounds like a Lambo, bro.
Oh. I low-key like it.
I think it's hard.
No, is it raining?
Is it? No, I don't think so. Your phone almost got squished. Damn.
40, bro.
And that's sus. This back window won't go up.
I know. Maybe it's a different button.
I thought it was this.
Bro, look. He sounds good.
Yeah.
Too.
Damn.
Do you think it's... There's no way it's always good.
I don't think so. Did it say complete? It says trunk's open, huh?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Damn. You literally feel the downshifts.
Wow.
Use the paddles. How are the paddles?
They're good.
Responsive?
Pretty good, yeah.
These railroads are trash, bro. Well, the gear's good.
7
Yeah.
speed.
Damn.
It's interesting how you just hear it then
Yeah.
non-stop, though.
Because you hear it from the back.
Yeah.
You gotta get used to it. It feels weird.
That's like a fan.
Yeah. How's it sound with the window up? Do it again. Oh. Glad you about to be a R8 owner?
That's
Not walking away with the R8, but he's pretty convinced he wants to buy it. So let's see if he actually ends up getting it. But it's pretty nice. Bro, the downshifts sound like a Huracan or like a Gallardo or something. It's actually nuts. Bro, Liam was asking him, like the sales agent or like the sales manager or whatever. I was like, would you rather want me to trade in my CS or a Model Y? And he was like, CS, man. It's because like the CS is way more rare than a Model Y. You can pick up a Model Y anywhere. But yeah, we're at Audi South Austin. Now we're gonna go to the Dodge dealership because I think they have a G80 that homeboy wants to check out. I think the G80 is gonna be sick. All right, I'll catch you when we get to the next dealership. Dodge, South Point. But this is the whip we're checking out. Look at that logo, bro. That's some crazy shit. Look, it says 170 on there.
You know, that's a real diamond.
No, it's not. Don't try to troll me. It's the 315 stock.
Oh, he's not worthy. No.
It's so funny.
Whose
I don't-
Camaro is this?
I don't know, bro. This guy pulls up all the time.
I saw him the other day on the road and he was like
Yeah.
clowning around.
Yeah, you
Oh,
were.
really?
Yeah,
That was
that's funny.
yeah, let's see if these front mounts are allowed.
Yeah. Yo.
Yeah, they are. I'll say Chris's does that a lot.
Yeah.
You know Chris too?
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris is loud on his downs.
Can rip it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just
It does feel pretty good.
Is this quicker than your car, Liam?
me?
No, Liam.
I don't know, I raced. Because if y'all could do that.
He heard the intakes.
What's funny is I wasn't even speeding either.
Boy, Liam got his car appraised over here at Dodge. They offered him $43K for a CS. Like, how much do you think they'll offer me for my comp? Like 20? Yeah, they would offer me like 20K. That's crazy though. 42 or 43 they said, I think. What's up, bud?
So hard.
Go in front.
Let me get it from
Yeah. Damn. Yo. Sounds so good. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna be swapping cars anytime soon. We're probably just gonna be adding cars to the collection, if anything. We want some other whips, so.
She turn my energy, we do this for that, she need massage. She ready for good, you know I won't